In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize tables in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create tables, format them, organize your data, and use built-in features to make your pages easier to read and more professional. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to add or edit a table and click Edit. Place your cursor where you'd like the table to appear, then click the table icon in the toolbar or type Table and select the Table option. Choose the number of rows and columns you need to insert your table. To add more rows or columns later, hover near the edge of the table and click the ++ icons that appear. If you need to remove a row or column, click inside the table, open the Table Options menu, and choose the appropriate delete option. For better organization, add a header row or header column using the Table Options menu. Headers make large tables much easier to scan and understand. You can also customize the appearance of your table by selecting one or more cells and applying a background color to highlight important information. If you need a title or section that spans multiple columns, select the cells and choose Merge Cells. You can also split merge cells later if needed. To keep your table looking clean, adjust the column widths by dragging the column borders or use the option to distribute columns evenly when available. Confluence tables also support smart content. Inside any table cell, type to insert macros such as status, date, panel, emoji, mention, or Jira issues. You can also create task checkboxes by typing A and pressing the space bar, making your tables useful for tracking tasks and project progress. When you're finished customizing your table, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Your formatted table will now be available for everyone with access to the page. That's how to customize tables in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.